Hey, Heather from hookedonpickin.com. Okay, so I got myself a little baby bulk box, and I got an email from them saying that I was going to get some sort of an award. I don't know what that means. I don't work for bulk, but we're going to find out what's in it. Okay, so I've got this mini bulk box. It's supposed to have an award or something in it. Like I said before, I don't work for bulk, but I wanted to kind of unbox it with you guys to show you guys what exactly it is. To see, I guess, you know, because I put out so many videos, I'm like automatic commercials for them, I guess. But let's see what's in here. All right. So it says, congratulations. In 2018, bulk customers uploaded more than 250 bulk unboxing videos. Out of all of those videos, yours made the top 5 most watched list. Hey, this is an award for you guys. 21,000 subscribers. You got me this award. Woo, woo. Okay, I'll keep reading. Making you a winner of this year's bulk unboxing award. We can see your business is really scaling up, and we wanted to help you get some ship done. Sorry, I'm reading upside down. Some shipping done. Enjoy these free reselling resources and keep up the hustle. We can't wait to watch your success in 2019. Cheers, the bulk team. Ooh, what could it be? All right, this is fun wrapping paper. So what did we get? What did we get? Sweet! Look at that! It's a Awesome Label Resizer. I actually just bought one of these like a week ago. But that's okay, because I can always use 2. So Awesome Label Resizer, this is awesome because I use those all the time. All right, a bulk t-shirt. Got me some swag while I'm unboxing. I got a measuring tape. Always need those. Never can have enough of those. A lint roller for when I get bulk box stuff on me. Awesome, a digital postal scale. Oh, this is cool. Okay, so this one's for 110 pounds. So I can weigh my heavy stuff, and it's got like an extended little scale, so you can put a giant box on there and then pull the actual reader over. So a digital 110 pound scale. That's awesome. That thing's tiny for 110. And I have a small one that's about to die, so I'm glad to get a new one. All right, what is this one? What is this? It looks like something pretty. It's got a little stand, whatever it is. Ooh. It says, wait, I put it on backwards. Hold on. Okay. Bulk Unboxing Award 2018 presented to Hooked on Pickin for top 5 most watched bulk unboxing videos. Yay! Now I got pretty things to put in my new space. And that's it. And look, they sent me free packing material. Awesome. Well, I'll tell you what right now, these things right here are worth some cashola. These are about $100. These are about $100. Plus you can never use enough of these kinds of things. And so I'm super excited. So this is what came in my fun bulk box. I mean, what a blessing. That was a huge just surprise. Like I said, I don't work for bulk, but evidently my videos get a lot of traction and help them out. So it's awesome that they kind of paid it forward and they're helping me out. So thanks, bulk. Love it. And so this is what you get if you have the top 5 most watched videos. So this has been awesome. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.